Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw 11 from Stranger Things. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with 11, let's begin by drawing the face. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then we're just going to curve it back up like this. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then back like a check mark. And same thing here, down and then back. We're going to make an oval shape on each side for the eye. And then we're just going to color in a little black dot. I'm going to make a little line down for the nose. And then we're just going to make a little line that's going to come down and around. Then right here we're going to make a little line across for the mouth and a little line underneath it. Let's go up and down for an ear, and then over here we're going to go up and down for an ear. Starting here, we're going to come down and then up. And then right here, we're going to come up, and then we're going to bring this line up here. Then let's just go ahead and connect it. We'll make a little bumpy line up here for the scrunchie. And then we're going to make kind of like a bumpy line up here on the top. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes down and over. And then same thing here, we're going to go down and then over. Make it kind of bumpy and textured to look like the hair. We're going to make two lines that come down for the neck. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point and then back up here. Let's draw a line that goes out and then in for the part of the shirt. And same thing here, we're going to go out and then in. We're going to make a line that's going to go out and then down. Same thing here, we're going to go out and then down. We're going to bring this down, then we're just going to curve this across and come up here. Next, we're going to bring this line down to here, and we'll do the same thing, bring it down to here. Then we're going to bring this line over. You can see I went up just a little bit in the middle. We're going to bring this line up and then come right across here. Starting here, we're going to come down, we're going to come over and up, and then same thing here, we're going to come down, we're going to go over and then up. We're going to make two lines come down, and then two lines come down here. I'm going to make a line that curves, and then another line that curves here. We'll go down. We're going to bring this around and up, and we'll bring this one, we're going to go around and up. Down and up, down and up, down and up for the hand. Same thing here, down and up, down and up, down and up for the hand. Starting here, we're going to draw two lines that come down, a line that comes down in the middle. We're going to make a line that's going to come down, bring it around and up. And the same thing here, we're going to go down, bring it around and up. We're going to draw a little line across, and then a little line across. We'll make a line across on here. Now for some details on the shirt, we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to make 2 lines that come down for some suspenders, and then 2 that come down here. Then we'll add a little rectangle shape on each side. And we'll add a couple circles for some buttons. Then we're going to add a couple little lines for some wrinkles on the shirt. And then we're going to add just a couple little details for some hair on here. We'll add a couple little lines here for some pockets. And there you go, there is your drawing of 11 from Stranger Things. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.